Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Debian 13 and Fedora 42. Debian 13 and Fedora 42 are both Linux distributions, but they focus on different types of users. Debian 13 is known for being very stable and reliable. It uses older but well-tested software, which makes it a great choice for servers or people who want a system that runs smoothly for years without big changes. It's not the most up-to-date, but it's trusted by many because of its stability and large community support. Fedora 42 is more cutting-edge and includes the latest software and technologies. It's great for people who want the newest features, improved performance, and modern tools. However, because it's more up-to-date, it can sometimes have small bugs or changes that may need adjusting. It's popular among developers and those who like experimenting with the latest tech. If you value long-term stability and don't need the latest features, Debian 13 is better. If you prefer modern updates and new technology, Fedora 42 is the better choice. Overall, Debian is best for stability, while Fedora is best for staying on the cutting edge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.